When choosing a projector for a classroom, office, or compact workspace, what really matters is reliability, brightness, and low maintenance. That's exactly where the Optoma ZW350ST stands out. It's not built for flashy home theater marketing. It's built to perform consistently, day after day, in real-world environments. Let's start with the short throw capability. Space is often limited in meeting rooms and classrooms. With a short throw lens, you can position the projector close to the wall and still produce a large image. That means fewer shadows from presenters, reduced glare issues, and a much cleaner installation. It also simplifies mounting, whether you place it on a table or install it permanently. Brightness is a major highlight here. With 3,600 lumens, this projector handles ambient light extremely well. You don't have to turn off all the lights just to see your presentation clearly. Slides remain sharp, text is readable, and charts keep their detail even in brighter rooms. For training sessions, lectures, and business presentations, that makes a noticeable difference in usability. The WXGA resolution focuses on clarity for productivity tasks. Documents, spreadsheets, and web content look crisp and well-defined. While it's not targeting 4K cinema enthusiasts, it delivers exactly what most professional environments need: clean visuals that communicate information effectively. The laser light source is one of the biggest long-term advantages. Rated for up to 30,000 hours, it removes the need for frequent lamp replacements. Traditional projectors often require costly bulb changes after a few thousand hours. Here, you're getting years of operation with minimal intervention. That reduces downtime and keeps maintenance budgets under control. Another important feature is the IP6X dust-resistant optical engine. Dust buildup can slowly reduce brightness and affect image quality in many projectors. By sealing the internal components, this model is designed to resist dust intrusion and maintain consistent performance over time. For schools and offices, especially in environments where air quality isn't perfect, this durability adds real value. Color performance is balanced and professional. Whites appear bright and neutral, while colors remain natural without looking oversaturated. Motion during video playback stays smooth, making it suitable for training videos and multimedia content. The laser system also helps maintain consistent brightness levels throughout its lifespan, which means fewer surprises months or years down the line. Installation flexibility is another strength. Its compact form factor allows it to fit easily into different setups. Connectivity options support laptops, media players, and other input sources, ensuring compatibility with common devices used in business and education. Energy efficiency also plays a role in long-term savings. Laser projection systems typically consume less power over their operational life compared to lamp-based models. Combined with the extended lifespan and reduced maintenance, this makes it a cost-effective investment rather than a recurring expense. This projector is clearly designed with practicality in mind. It's about dependable performance, reduced servicing, and consistent brightness in environments where downtime isn't acceptable. Whether you're equipping multiple classrooms or upgrading a conference room, it offers a solution that's built to last. If you're considering adding this projector to your setup, check the link in the description to find the latest pricing and availability.